So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the grid warp tool. Now, the tutorial originally was how to create procedural ocean within DaVinci Fusion, and then I thought about it. And I thought, actually, this is an unusual use of the grid warp tool. So I've just cut this part out and put it on its own. Normally you see grid warp being used in a lot of music videos and things like that. But in this case, I've actually used it to create a fish being animated. Anyway, watch it. Hope it helps. See you in the next one. So it's time to add in our fish, our shark, or whatever it is. So I'm just going to bring this over here, go into my media pool and drag in the fish. First thing we need to do is rename it. Then while clicking on it, make sure you add a transform to it. I'm going to connect that transform into the background like that. Go to frame, say 40. Bring the size of the fish down a bit, about there. Just bring it across like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to move it off screen. It's about there, and then we're going to hit center XY to keyframe it. We're going to move forward to frame 110, and then we're just going to move it straight forward on its Y value until it's off screen like that. Now when we play it, we just get a boring animation of a fish going through the water that doesn't look anything like a fish going through the water. The trick to it is if we click on that transform and then go shift space bar, we're looking for a grid warp, which is that one there, so we're going to add that. Now the first thing you need to do is actually lower the size of the grid. So on the grid X axis, take it down to something like that, which is 5 by 8. Then when we adjust this grid, what happens is the fish is deformed through the grid before it gets to the other side. So let's just play that back. How cool is that? Obviously play with the path to your heart's content. The only other thing I did was on the fish is I thought it was too dark, so on the merge I went over to the blend function and just brought it down so it looked like it was more underwater. So in the next tutorial I'll show you how to add the woman on the lilo, and I'm also going to do a tutorial on how I did the text, how I made that wavy as well. Hope you enjoyed this, hope it wasn't too long. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.